Morning, boys and girls, friends, enemies. You know the rules. The English weather is not doing us any favours at the moment. Just had Storm Brian. Now, it was fun because, as most of you know, sorry about the wind noise, it is windy. Very windy. As most of you know, the bike roams free at night, lives out in the wild, and in the middle of Storm Dennis the wind was so violent at one point I actually stood in the porch because the bike was rocking. It was about 2 o'clock in the morning and I actually thought it was going to fall over. And then today it's freezing. I'm leaving a bit earlier to avoid the ice. It was 2 degrees centigrade this morning. Yeah. But on another note, I have mentioned before one of my daughters, my youngest, Willow, is travelling Spain with her boyfriend Ricky. I will put a link just in case you're curious. Ricky is a musician. Wind. He is on Instagram, and he kindly sent me some riffs for those periods in a video when you need some music. You know, intros, outros, boring bits. But he's got a lot of music on there, mainly guitar music. He's into his guitars, big way. High quality guitars and amps and all that stuff I don't understand. Basically, if it doesn't come out of a radio, I'm a bit lost. But if you're into music in a small way, give him a look up. He's a really nice lad. I'm sure he wouldn't mind sharing advice. Excuse me. Early morning cold weather coughs. It's a lot of an asthma sufferer, I'm afraid. Yeah, give and take advice, you never know. He's, as I say, he's a really, really friendly lad. And not all of it is my kind of music, but I do appreciate a lot of it. But then my kind of music is not everybody else's. I'm into a lot of the old stuff. I went to a couple of sites looking for just those clips of music, and a lot of the free site music is quite good, but you need to subscribe to a lot of them, and I'm not a great one for subscribing to websites on the basis of, you know, put your email address out there too much. And that's when you start getting all your... Sorry, I'm watching the corners. Combination of tyres that hate the wet and the chance of the odd little bit of black ice still lingering makes for an interesting ride. Yeah, I'm not into subscribing all over the place. I find the less people that have got your email address, the less your spam folder fills up. folders. It's just tedious having to clear the things out every so often, isn't it? I've got a friend, you all know, and I said to him, how often do you clear your email out? And he said, well, I don't. Oh right, how many unread have you got? And it was in the thousands. I think he started an email account a few years back and uses it, but never bothers reading his emails. At what point does Google Mail fill up and stop you using it? Does anybody know? Has anybody been down that road? Oh, I don't like the look of this. The damp just looks odd. Well, that was an eclectic few moments, wasn't it? Definitely cold. Thank God for heated grips. So yeah, I didn't come out this morning to talk about anything. So there's a couple of topics there for you to pick the bones out of. I think it's more a mumble that you can ignore. Whatever you're doing today, have a nice day. Be happy, and if you are out riding, be safe. There's no need not to be. Bye.